Hey folks, so I had the idea to deep fry some wonton wrappers and kind of have them as chips. Yeah, they turned out pretty good, so I thought I'd share, show you how to make them. It's pretty easy. All you do is get your wonton wrappers and deep fry them pretty much. I cooked mine at 190 degrees Celsius. They cook very quickly. It took about probably 30 seconds, and then you kind of have to flip them over so the other side cooks. And yeah, so about a minute at 190 degrees Celsius. And then also you can just chuck the wonton wrappers in as they are, or you can kind of scrunch them up. And scrunching them up is, they kind of look more like wontons, I guess, when after they're cooked. And you can also fit more into the deep fryer. But yeah, that's it, pretty simple. Another idea I had was you can make up some sweet and sour sauce too and dip the wonton chips into the sweet and sour sauce.